First, import XML into your Alight Motion. This is how your interface looks like. Now in the bottom, you can see audio layer. Simply delete it. Now import the video which I have given in the description. Extract the audio and delete the video clip. You can see this group layer. Open it and make sure to take a screenshot of your TikTok. Inside the group there is 2 more groups. Open the first one. Now replace your TikTok screenshot with the second layer. Now match your screenshot with the mask circle. Make sure your logo must hide with the circle. Perfect. Now go back and open second layer. Here also do the same, but here you have to take your logo inside the circle. Do carefully. Now let's add our pictures. Make sure your photo ratio is 4:5. Do the same to another layer. Simply replace your pictures. Keep doing this until I stop. Use same picture. Now at this point, add another picture. Now at the last 5 layer, replace other for pictures. Last one is not any picture, it's just an overlay. If you think your video is zoomed too much, Then decrease its size by using your two fingers. Thank you guys for watching.